Students, we can learn the 12th question. Some boys are playing a game in which the stone thrown by them landing in a circular region given in the figure. Okay, the figure is given near the question is considered as win, and landing other than the circular region is considered as loss. What is the probability to win the game? So this is the ground. You think of 3 feet width and 4 feet length is a rectangular region as a ground. In the middle there have 1 feet radius circular region. The boys are playing a game. They are throwing the stone. If the stone is thrown fall down inside the circular region, then they will win the game. Okay, if it is outside, they will lose the game. It is the question. It is given, but the question is, what is the probability of win the game? Okay, so what is the probability of win the game? We need to find out. First of all, you have to find what is the area of the rectangular region. Then you find what is the area of the circular region. The rectangular region area is the total, that is the sample space. Okay, in this area only they are playing. In that area, they are playing and putting the stone inside the, trying to put the inside the circular region. Okay, so this area is the total area, like the NFS. Okay, this circular region area is like NFA. So you know, to find the probability of winning the game, that is NFA divided by NFS, but we are not using the formula. The same formula pattern I written the other way. Okay, I am not writing NFA or NFS. Understood? Now, can you follow? Okay, now see the solution. From the diagram, area of rectangular region. What is the formula of rectangle? L into B. Okay, L into B square units, that is length 4 feet, breadth 3 feet. So 4 into 3 feet square. Or you write square feet. Okay, you can write square feet. So which is equal to 12 square feet. Okay, now that is the total area. So we can write total area equal to 12 square feet. Okay, next. In that there have the circular place, that is the circular region. We can find out the area of circular region. It is pi r square. Formula pi r square, radius 1 feet. So instead of r you can put 1. So pi into 1 square equal to pi square feet. Okay, in the question itself they given pi is equal to 3.14. So we can substitute the value pi equal to 1/4 at last. Okay, anyway, now you get the area of circular region is the winning area. Okay, so area of rectangular region is the total area. Area of circular region is the winning area. Understood? So we can find out probability of winning the game is winning area divided by total area. Okay, so winning area is pi, total area is 12, so pi divided by 12, pi value 3.14 divided by 12. You can reduce this, but you should not write the probability value in decimal form. You can write in fraction, but you should not write in decimal. Okay, so we are multiplying, since in this numerator we have 2 decimal part, we are multiplying and dividing by 100. So we get 314 into 1200. You will get, otherwise here itself you can reduce using 2 table. So we get 157 divided by 600. Okay, 6 2s are 12, 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14. So 1.57 divided by 6 into 100 by 100. So 157 divided by 100. Okay, are you clear? So you don't leave it in the decimal form, must you change it in the fractional form. So answer, probability of winning the game is 157 by 600. Okay, it is very easy. Next one, 13th question. 2 customers, Priya and Amudan, are visiting a particular shop in the same week. Monday to Saturday. Only working days, Monday to Saturday. So Monday to Saturday, how many days? 6 days. Except Sunday, in that week, 6 days, the shop is, the customers can visit and bought the things from the shop. Okay. Here the two customers named given, Priya and Amudan. Each is equally likely to visit the shop on any one day as on another day. So equally likely visit means equal chance for both persons. Okay, that is equally likely visit. They are visiting only any one day. In a week, any one day only they are visiting the shop. What is the probability that both will visit the shop on the same day? If they are visiting the shop on same day, not they are meeting, just visiting. Okay, just visiting the same day, then different days, consecutive days. Okay, so 3 questions, same day, different days, consecutive days. We have to find out the probability of same day, how many, what is the probability, then probability of different days, what is the probability, what is the probability of consecutive days. Probability means always you think of it is the form of n of a divided by n of s. Okay, okay, now you see, first of all, how many days? Monday to Saturday, 6 days. That is only total number of days. It is like n of s. Okay, number of visiting days is 6. Next one, given 2 customers are visit the shop on any one day in a week. Only one day, they will not come again in the same week. Okay, now we can start the first question. To find the probability that they visit the shop on the same day. Okay, so same day visit, only single day. Okay, only one day both are coming, so the number of days is single day. Okay, a single day divided by number of visiting days. Probability means number, that is I said how many days it is possible, only one day in a week, the both are coming in the same day, so it is only single day. Then total number of visiting days, already we written it is 6 days, Monday to Saturday, so it is 1 divided by 6. Okay, so the probability of visit on the same day is totally 6 days, in that only 1 day, so 1 by 6. Are you clear? Both are coming in the same day, so number of days visiting is only 1 day. Both are coming same. Okay, only 1 day, so 1 by 6. But we can write the final answer. Probability of visit on the same day is 1 by 6. Second question, different days. Different days means one person can come Monday, another one can come except Monday the remaining 5 days. Or one person can come Tuesday, the other person can come except Tuesday the remaining 5 days. Like that way, the remaining person will get the chance of coming 5 days. Okay, so 5 opportunities are there. Monday or the remaining 5, Tuesday or the remaining 5, Thursday or the remaining 5, like that way 5 chances are there. Okay, so we can write the solution like this. From information, if one visits on Monday, that means 1 day. You can write Tuesday also, any 1 day. The other can visit on any one of the remaining 5 days. That means other 5 days. Okay, so the chances 5 days they can come. Okay, so visit on the different days is number of other days divided by number of visiting days. Okay, how to write the probability in the fraction form? Denominator is total number of days. Okay, numerator, visit on different days means they are getting 5 different days are to visit. Okay, so number of other days divided by number of visiting days, that is equal to 5 by 6. Okay, so you can write the answer. Probability visit on different days is 5 by 6. Third question, visit on the consecutive day. Consecutive means Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday. Like this way, consecutive days, if they are visiting the shop, what is the probability? Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, like this way, consecutive, how many consecutive days are there in this 6 days? Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday. 5 consecutive days are there. Okay, so if you are choosing A be the event of visiting on consecutive days, you can write the set A is equal to this all pairs. Okay, so N of A equal to 5. Are you clear? N of A equal to 5. So we can write the P of A. You know the formula. N of A divided by N of S. So 5 divided by, already we know this value, N of S is 6. Okay, so N of S, the probability value 5 divided by 6. So visit on the consecutive days is 5 by 6. Are you clear? So after completing this sum, you have to do the example 822. Okay. See this. What is the probability that a leap year selected at random will contain 53 Saturdays? Okay, 53 Saturdays. Normally in a year 52 weeks are there, but it is not over. In that 52 weeks, that the 365 days are not over. One more day you will get, but this is a leap year, so you totally you will get 360 days, 366 days. So 2 more days extra after 52 weeks. 52 weeks means 52 Saturdays are there. So in the remaining 2 days, will you get the Saturday? Okay, how many chances are there? Maybe these 2 days are Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. Am I correct? These 2 days may be Friday, Saturday or Saturday, Sunday. So 2 possibilities are getting 53 Saturdays in a leap year. That is only explained in this question. So please go through and don't copy. Please you do it yourself. Okay? Complete the homework also.